Hey everyone, welcome back to Art Crochet Gallery. Now I was complete this round by following previous pattern, and I was use this yarn in 3 times, and I complete my 4 rows in white yarn, and now I will repeat yellow pattern. I will take yellow yarn and continue a yellow row and 4 yellow and then 4 white, then again 4 yellow and 4 white. Continue this row by following previous pattern. I will change the yarn and add yellow yarn, and I will repeat row number 1. And row number 1 and row number 4 is the same pattern. When I was skip one stitch, and second and third row is the same pattern. I was skip 2 stitch in bottom side, and this yellow pattern I repeat again. First yellow row pattern I repeat. This pattern I was skip one stitch, and this time I was skip same one stitch, and I start the pattern in the second stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and I add this yellow yarn in the 10 stitch. I add yellow yarn, then I will make 3 chain, and this 3 chain like 1 double crochet, and this time I follow the first yellow row, and where I skip one stitch. Every stitch have a double crochet, and space have 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet in the same space, and then 10 double crochet. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There is 12 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet in the same space. In the other side have 12 double crochet. I was skip one stitch in both sides, and this yellow pattern I repeat the first yellow pattern. The first yellow pattern and the fourth yellow pattern is the same pattern, and first white pattern and fourth white pattern is same. So chain 1 and skip one stitch in both sides, and the pattern will start in the second stitch, and both sides will make 12 double crochet and between 2 chain.